They say that champions don't do one thing 100% better, they do 100 things 1% better than their competition. As an example, the goal of any flooring salesperson is to have their customers satisfied with as few surprises as possible. Believe it or not, this is any competent installer's goal as well. Too often, though, these goals get sidetracked by poor communications that usually result in the customer being adversely affected. When performing your on-site job site assessment, it is imperative that you always complete a pre-installation checklist with your customer. Think of this as your to-do list with the customer. It is simply a form that you go through outlining who is responsible for various tasks that will need to be performed. Typical topics may include trimming of doors, appliance disconnections, disposal of old flooring, etc. Many stores have pre-printed forms available to use. If yours doesn't, they're not difficult to create. This process is often ignored because it takes too long. Nonsense. It will take less than 10 minutes total if you're prepared to avoid potential disappointments with your customer. Be proactive. Would you rather spend a like amount of time on the phone with the customer after the installation, explaining why the results aren't as they expected? Remember, customers hate surprises.